We're starting outside this apartment block in Ciudad Quesada. As you can see from the front elevation, there is plenty of off-street parking available for residents. Moving inside, the apartment has been fully renovated and is currently unoccupied. We enter into an open-plan kitchen area. It's equipped with a new dishwasher, microwave, and fridge. To keep the space organized, the water boiler, washing machine, and dryer are all integrated and hidden behind cabinetry. The main living space combines the lounge, dining area, and TV corner. From the windows here, on a clear day, you can see the Mediterranean Sea. The bedroom is a standard double, with a large window that brings in quite a bit of light. From this room, you have a direct view of the communal swimming pool and the surrounding area. The bathroom has also been updated. It features a walk-in shower and new tiling throughout, following the same modern style as the rest of the flat. From here, it's about a 10-kilometer drive to the beaches of Gardamar, which takes roughly 15 minutes. This property is move-in ready and works well as a permanent residence or a rental investment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more property updates. Thanks for watching.